Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I have a video to share with you. It's an unboxing of a stationery set. These were at Chapters, and they were up by the till. I'd never seen them there before, and I absolutely could not resist a mystery box. So I'm going to bring you along with me and show you what is inside. I have no idea, but it said stationery set, $15, and that it should be worth more than that total. Okay, so inside we have received a pencil case. I love the colors. There were 3 boxes, and it was really hard for me to decide which ones. 2 pencils, which I believe come in these pencil cases normally, but although these ones don't seem to fit in here very nicely. Yeah, they go in there. Anyway, so that's cute. I like that. This seems to be getting stuck, so not the best. Let's see if it's just a matter of... Oh, wow. Let's see if this closes better without that there. It seems to have got stuck on something. I noticed that like right away when I opened it. So that's not great. Not happy about that. I can play with that around some more. So this is cute. It's a little clipboard, and it comes, oh, with these magnets on it. So that's a fun little surprise. And how do you... Okay, so that lets the paper go. Okay, kind of interesting. And it comes with a pen and a notebook. She said everyone had a notebook, pens, pencils, little surprises and stuff. So, $15. Considering this pencil case actually is defective, not super impressed with that. It's a cute little idea. So if you were just giving somebody a gift, then it would, because that's the idea. It's like give it to... the advertisement there that they had said, give it to someone as a gift or keep for yourself. So I'm not really sure. If this pencil case works better, then I might be happy with it. I do have actually 2 pens now because I got this pen that came with it. Let's see how the pens write, because that makes a difference. So let's just grab some paper. Okay, I do like this pen. So they don't feel like the best quality per se. They're very light, but they're nice. They write well. So that's kind of cute. The pencils are just simple. It was a nice presentation for sure. Like, I like how they had it wrapped. And if you were looking for a quick gift on the go to someone who was like me, a stationery lover, then it might not be a bad idea. The notebook's okay. I'm not sold on this design exactly. Yeah, like everything's okay. It was cute. It was nice when I first opened it up. The idea that the presentation was quite cute because it looked like a nice notebook, and the cute pink tissue paper and pink and these little magnets were super cute. Like, that was a nice touch. I actually think that it was really smart that they put those on there. That was the first thing I noticed when I opened the box, and kind of liked that. So the price on this itself was $13. So if you want to just consider that. And this pen actually was very smooth writing. So it's got 50 sheets. Good for little notes. Yeah. Overall, I don't think it's worth a whole lot more than $15. They've taken the tags off of these. I know that these usually run, well, you know, Chapters is usually quite expensive for things, but they usually run pretty pricey there. So I guess if you were to buy all these things brand new, then it definitely is worth more. But overall, you got not bad value for what was inside. And like I said, I just can't resist a good surprise. So thank you so much for watching. If you have an Indigo Chapters near you and you want to see what's inside, they had more than one, and it was hard for me to be like, which one do I want? So anyways, the mystery solved. This was my second time going back to the store, and I couldn't resist it twice. And actually, while I have you here, I am going to show you this other deal that I did pick up. It had a missing lock, which you could easily replace, and I'm not even sure that I really want it with a lock on it. I was actually kind of thinking that it would be neat. Now, where did that pen go? Here it is. I was actually thinking it'd be kind of neat to actually slip in a pen and make this like a pen holder. And actually, that's the perfect size pen, so maybe it wasn't such a bad combination. And it's gold and matches. Anyway, it was missing the lock. I didn't really want it for the lock, but this is good enough for keeping it like sort of closed with a little clasp. So you look at the regular price. I saw the other ones there that were $24. This was on sale down to $8, and it was still another 25% off because it was missing the lock. So all in all, this cost $6, which I really liked this pattern and I liked the color. And like I said, I wasn't really looking for something that locked, but I kind of love the idea of just sticking my pen in there and then having that as a combination. So this was a good deal. I'm really glad I got that. And actually now I'm really glad that I got this because of that added feature of being able to put this tiny little pen that actually wrote very nicely. So yeah, that was great. So I can show you what it looks like on the inside. It's got that little ribbon to be a bookmark. The papers feel very smooth and very nice. Like I said, these were originally $25, and there were lots of other ones there that were that price. So I'm happy with that. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.